Namaste, children. Uh, how are you all? I hope all are safe in your home. Uh, before Dasra, so we have finished numbers and numeration concept. So and then addition, subtraction, and then multiplication concept. I have to finish. Okay, this is the first term. So in the after that, okay, Dasra holidays, I will take the first class in your math class. So okay, so now today, that is a new chapter. It is division. You have already know that in the second standard division concept. Okay, what is meant by division? What is the symbol of division? What is the answer of division? Then how to divide? So 3 digit number, 4 digit number, learn in the third standard. Okay, 3 digit number, 4 digit number, how to divide the using the division method. Okay, now symbol, what is meant by division? Division is a equally distribute, equally distribute. So what is meant by division? Is a equally distribute, or division is a repeated subtraction. Division is a repeated subtraction. How many times can be subtracted the given number, the given whole number? Okay, that is called as division. The symbol of division is, that is a symbol of division. That is a symbol of division. You know already in the second standard. Okay, so what is meant by definition of division? What is the definition of division? First look at that. The way of finding, the way of finding how many times a number, how many times a number is contained in other number, in another number, how many times is repeated, how many times. The way of finding how many times a number, ಒಂದು ನಂಬರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರತಕ್ಕಂಥ ನಂಬರ್ನ ಎಷ್ಟು ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, how many times can be subtracted, how many times can be repeated, how, okay, is a number is contained in the another number. Okay, so I am already told division is a equally distribution. Okay, so 10 chocolates irtav, 10 ಚಾಕ್ಲೇಟ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತಾವೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಇಬ್ರು ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. 10 ಚಾಕ್ಲೇಟ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತವೆ, ಇಬ್ರಿಗೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಈಕ್ವಲಿ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಒಬ್ಬೊಬ್ಬರಿಗೆ 5 and then 5 equally can be divided. So using that, so it is equally distribute ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ, so we have to using division. You have to using division. Keep in the mind. ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಬಂತಂದ್ರೆ, so we can use to division. Okay, so I have written in the board 4 triangles, so sorry, 8 triangles, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 triangles. Okay, totally how many triangles? 8 triangles. Okay, ಈ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಇಬ್ಬರಿಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು. can be equally divide to 2 ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಹಂಗಾರೆ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬರಿಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? Totally can be divide 4, can be 4. 2 for the 8, 2 for the 8, 2 1 the 2, 2 to the 4, 2 to the 4, 2 3 the 6, 2 for the 8, totally 8. Keep in the mind. So this is the, so we can using the 2 members. So this is called as first 4 one person, again another 4 given to another person. So this is a 4 totally equally distributed. So okay, so yeah, you look at that. The first number we should write in the bigger number. First we should write in the bigger number. 8 can be divided using the divide. So how many times can be repeated? So 2 members can be divided. So how many times can be repeated to 8? So okay, look at that. 8 can be repeated 4 times. 6, okay, 1 time over. Next again 6 minus 2, 4. 4 can be repeated 2. Next 2 can be repeated less. So 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, 4 time. 4 times can be subtracted. We get answer is 0. Okay, this is the key. Repeated subtraction. Look at that. So this is the total number of triangles we should write in the first place. Second, can be divided into how many times can be repeated, how many numbers can be, how many friends you have to distribute. So 2 members. Okay, this is correct, 2 members. So how many each you give, how many each give? So it is 4. Okay, this is the division. Okay, so now again go for, so some of the points we have to learn in the division. Okay, so first one, divided, then divisor, then quotient. What is, these are the first we have to write it, we have to understand first. Divisor means what, dividend means what, so quotient means what. Okay, so I hope all of you understand. So this is the way of finding how many times a number is contained in another number. Okay, so ಯಾವ number complete ಆಗಿ ಎಷ್ಟು times repeat ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, that is called as division. Okay, divide and first the number that is being divided, ಯಾವ number divide ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ, ಯಾವ number divide ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ, so this number is can be divided. This is the dividend, the number that is being divided, that is being divided, this is called as, what is that, dividend. The number that is being divided is called as dividend. So keep in the mind, the bigger number is always dividend, we can take it. Next one, divisor, the number that divides another number, the number that divides another number, ಯಾವ number ನ divide ಮಾಡ್ತಿದೀವಿ, ಯಾವ number divide ಮಾಡ್ತಿದೀವಿ, 2 ಇಂದ divide ಮಾಡ್ತಿದೀವಿ, ಯಾವ್ದನ್ನ, 8 ಅನ್ನ. The number that divides another number, ಯಾವ number ಇನ್ನೊಂದು number divide ಮಾಡ್ತಿದೆ, ಯಾವ ನಂಬರ್ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ನಂಬರ್ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದೆ, ಈ ನಂಬರ್ ಈ ನಂಬರ್ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ರೈಟ್, ಈ ನಂಬರ್ ಈ ನಂಬರ್ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನೌ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಡಿವೈಸರ್, this is called as divisor. Okay, so now another one, the quotient, the answer of division is called as quotient, the answer of division is called as quotient, this is the answer, this is the answer. So now it is dividend, it is divisor, it is quotient. I hope all of you understand this concept. Okay, so it is considered for, so it is a division. So once again I will repeat it, divided means the number that is being divided. Next one, divisor, the number that divides another number. Next one, the quotient means the answer of division is called as quotient. So now this is the introduction of your division concept. Okay, so in your chapter, in your textbook, okay, in your textbook, divided, so divide equally by making groups. So nandi heng groups madidala aa reeti, so you have to make the groups. Okay, look at the board, look at the book, in your textbook, page number 53, page number 53. So to 12 stars are there, then 12 roses are there, then 12 fishes are there. So how can be divided, so can be distributed. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬಂದಿರುತ್ತೋ ಅಷ್ಟನ್ನ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂದಿರುತ್ತೋ ಅಷ್ಟು ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ನೌ ಹಿಯರ್, ಸೊ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ, roses can be, and then fishes you have to arrange the, then make the group. Okay, so fill in the blanks is there. 5 5 the 25, 9 5 the 45, so 2 8 8 4 the 32, 9 5 the 9 9 6 the 54, so can be divided. So using that can be divided. So okay, I will introduce another one concept. How to write the multiplication effect, what is how to write the multiplication, relationship between the multiplication and division, relationship between the multiplication and division. So that concept we have to go for. So this is the introduction of division. So what I am writing in the board, that should be copied into the CW. Okay, now I will go for relationship between the multiplication, division. Okay, students, now example first, so introduction already over, so now take the example, some examples I will, and then go for relationship between multiplication and division. Okay, so here examples, 20 divided by 5, 20 divided by 5. Okay, 5, how much is 20? 5 1 the 5, 5 to the 10, 5 3 the 15, 5 4 the 20, 5 4 the 20, so we should write here 4, 5 4 the 20. Next, I will take the second one example, 16 divided by 2. 16 divided by 2. 2, how much the 16? 2 1 the 2, 2 to the 4, 2 3 the 6, 2 4 the 8, 2 5 the 10, 2 6 the 12, 2 7 the 14, 2 8 the 16. 2 8 the 16. Then I will go for third one, C. So 7, how much of 14? 7 to the 14. 7 to the 14. Next, 3, how much the 12? 3 on the 3, 3 to the 6, 3 4 the 12, 3 4 3 to the 9, 3 4 the 12, 3 4 the 12. Next, 28 divided by 4, 28 divided by 4. 4 how much is 28? 4 1 the 4, 4 2 the 6, 4 2 the 8, 4 3 the 12, 4 4 the 16, 4 5 the 20, 4 6 the 24, 4 7 the 28. 4 7 the 28. 9 how much is 36? 9 4 the 36. 9 4 the 36. These are the examples of division, how to divide. So then, so first number is called as dividend, second number is called as divisor. So the answer of division is called as, the answer is last one, that is the answer of division. So answer of division is called quotient. So keep in the mind. So these are the examples. So now I will go for relationship between multiplication and division. What is the multiplication, what is the relation? Okay, multiplication division are inverse operation, opposite operations. Okay, they are opposite operations. So edra badra is so we can, using the multiplication we can divide it. Okay, so inverse operation, for every multiplication fact we have two division facts. We have two division facts. Okay, so how it is division facts? Okay, 28 into, okay, wait, okay, 2 into 3 equals to 6. Okay, this is the one multiplication. This is a multiplication fact. So multiplication and division are inverse operation. For every multiplication fact, one the multiplication is one multiplication fact. Okay, so we have to write the two division facts. We can write the two division facts. How to write the division fact? So the product has to be written to dividend place, dividend. So then it can be divided any number. These two fact, these two numbers we can write any two number. First one 2. 2 how much the 6? 2 3 the 6. 2 3 the 6. So okay, so one division fact over. Next one I will take into another one. 6 is divided, can be divided 3. First time I will divide 2, then again go for 3. Okay, 3 how much is 6? 3 to the 6. Look at that. Multiplication and division are inverse operation. For every multiplication fact, we have two division facts. We have two division facts. Can be divide. First divide. So using to the first product, then two numbers are there. So in the factors, so it can be first, we can 2 or 3. First one, 2 can be taken. 2 how much is 6? 2 3 the 6. Then I will take to the product 6 can be divided to 3. So it equals to 2. This is the two division facts. So I will go for another one example. So this is another one example. I will go for second one example. Okay. So now 3 into 4 equals to 12. So it is a one multiplication fact. So this multiplication fact can be made two division facts. Okay. Can be made two division facts. Two division facts. 12. So dividend, first product has to be taken. 12 equals to 4. 12 equals to 4. 4 3 the 12. 4 3 the 12. Next 12 divided by 12 divided by, so we can first we can using 4, then 3, then 3 equals to 12. Sorry, 3 4 the 12. Okay, so every multiplication fact we have two division facts. So this is the relationship between the multiplication and division. This is the relationship between multiplication and division. So I hope all of you understand. Okay, so every multiplication having two division facts. So this is called as relationship between division and multiplication. Okay, okay, this is the problem solving method. Okay, now I will go for, so how to solve the multiplication facts. So using, so page exercise 5th A, page number 54. Page number 54. Check your answers by multiplication fact. So 27 divided by 9 equals to 3, equals to 9 into 20. So as it is 9 3 the 27. So this is the multiplication fact using to the find out the answer. So now find the dividend. How to find the dividend? So now I will go for exercise 5th A, how to solve the problems. Just now Okay, students, now exercise fifth A. So using the multiplication facts and then find out the dividend. That's the first main and second main. So look at the board. Okay, check your answers by multiplication fact. So by multiplication fact. So now here 27 divided by 9. Which are the multiplication facts? Divisor and quotient. These are the multiplication fact. So 9 and 3 multiply. 9 3 the 27. So we have get the dividend. So divisor and then dividend. Sorry, divisor and then quotient we have to multiply. We get the dividend. So this is a multiplication factor. So we have to write it 3 9 the 27. That is also right. Okay. Now multiply these two numbers. We have get the answer. That is answer is correct. Okay. 6 into 8. 6 8 the 48. 6 8 the 48. Next one 6 9 the 54. 6 9 the 54. This is the answer. So the remaining questions you have to solve in the textbook. So solve in the HW and one time write in the HW. Okay. So now this is the solving the multiplication fact. Find the dividend. So dividend, how to find out? Dividend equals to so quotient into divisor into divisor. Quotient into divisor. So this is the answer. So this is, so we have to multiply quotient and divisor. We have get the dividend. Okay, 9 8 the 72. 9 8 the 72. Next one, multiply these two numbers. 9 7 the 63. Next 8 7 the 56. Next 15 5 the 70. 14 5 the 70. Okay, 14 5 the 70. So this is the, these are the answers. So fifth A. So remaining questions you have to solve in textbook and one time write in the HW. Okay, I hope all of you understand today's classes. So okay, so now get set go, you have to finish. Get set go also you have to finish in the textbook. Okay, so students, you have to watch the video and remember your knowledge. So remember division concept. Okay, okay students, dhanyawad, thank you so much.